Romans of the Republican era were a sober people of frugal dietary habits. They usually had 2 meals a day, known as the prandium and supper. The custom of a breakfast of cereal, honey, dried fruit and cheese was gradually introduced. For a long time, the most widely consumed foods were boiled cereal, a kind of mush that resembles today's polenta or cornmeal, in addition to legumes such as broad beans, lentils, chickpeas, and lima beans, vegetables of various types, breads, and some cakes. The diet also included several fish, game from the hunt, only consumed on festive days, and there was no raising of livestock at the time, in addition to milk, cheese, and a deep variety of fruits.